Okay, on this video I'm going to show you how to add video to your Facebook fan page on the left hand side, or have your own private individual link to the video that goes to your Facebook fan page. How cool is that, okay? So here's how you do it. Just pay attention here. You want to click on Edit Page on the right hand side right here. And then on the left, you're going to see a little button called Apps, A-P-P-S. Click on that. And then at the bottom, you should have, and if you don't, you'll have to search for it, but you should have in your links of your fan page a thing that says FBML Facebook, all right? So you want to edit your settings, click on Edit Settings, and then click Add, all right? So you just added the FBML settings to your Facebook fan page. Click OK, and then you want to refresh the page. Refresh the page. That's a little bit of a tongue twister. So now it says Go to App, Edit Settings, or link to this page. So I want to Go to App. So here it is. It opens up an FBML box. Now the problem with this is you can't paste HTML into this. Now I think I'm hearing rumors of them being able to allow this, but I haven't seen it yet. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to call this Tip of the Week. All right. And then I need to get a YouTube video. That's the cool part about this is Facebook doesn't track the number of hits your video gets. This way you can actually track the number of hits because it's through YouTube, right? So check this out. I'm going to go to my YouTube. Okay, so I'm in YouTube, and I want to click on the little share button. Now, the only problem with the share button is it gives me a link, which is great. That doesn't work inside Facebook. I found a guy that made up a code, so I'm going to give you that code right now. And it's called budyurl.com/YouTube Facebook. Of course, I made up this budyurl because I didn't want to have to show you this link and this code because it's a little complicated. That's what I'm going to show you next. So check this out. So go to budyurl.com/YouTube Facebook to get the code that I'm going to show you. All right. And here's what it looks like. Get ready. This is exciting. So here is the embed code. I know it looks crazy. Holy crap, this is never going to work for me. But this is how simple it is. Just stay with me here. All you have to do is copy the very first one right here. Copy the very first one, the whole thing. All right. Right-click, copy. I'm going to go back to my Facebook fan page. All right, here we go. And inside the FBML, I'm going to right-click and paste. I just put that code inside the FBML. This is pretty cool. This is going to allow you to play that video. Now, here's the trick. You need the YouTube code from your YouTube, the end of your YouTube. It's really super simple. And the directions I give you, it's just really super simple. But I want to show you with the video, okay? So I'm just going to copy this and actually put it on the little Word doc so you guys can see this a little easier. So here it is. Here's the YouTube code. Everything after the equal sign is what you want. So I want that right there is what I want to post in place of the X's. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So right click, copy. Going back to my YouTube, or back to my Facebook. All right, so these little X's right here are what you want to get rid of. All right. Delete that, delete all these. And I'm going to Control V per paste. I don't know why they did Control V and not Control P. Probably because it's next to the C. That's the only thing I can think of. So Control V, I put in the code. There's the code to my video, okay? The next thing I want to do is exchange that code for the next set of X's. Here you go, like this. All right, Control V, there it is. I replaced it. Now I am good to go. I'm literally done. My video will play inside Facebook. That's how easy that is. So click Save Changes. All right. I'm going to go view the Autumn Woods neighborhood. Check it out. And then you'll notice on the left-hand side that you now have a tip of the week. Now you might have to click on more or whatever. Click on more. What you could do is turn a couple of these off if you're not using them, and then that'll push that back up into there. So depending on when you add the tip of the week, if you add it before the other ones, then that one will push this tip of the week up. But here's how it works. You click on tip of the week, and up pops the YouTube video that you guys seen. Now, here's a little trick. This is the thing that happens. You have to click on it twice to make it play. For example, let me show you what I'm talking about. So if I click on it and it comes up, I got to click on it again. Here's how to make it so that it plays automatically when you click on that button. Here's also how to edit it so it's bigger on the screen on your Facebook fan page. All right, so check this out. Now, and why I'm here, this is the link to the video. So if you take that link and of course shrink it down and using Bitly or Budural, you can send that out in an email using Follow My Clients. You can send it out on you can put it on your Facebook, your regular page, whatever you want to do with it. It's the link to this video that takes people back to your fan page. And the cool part about this is they have to become a fan to watch it. Is that cool? So they have to like you. They have to like your fan page. What a great idea for a neighborhood, or I don't know. My head's spinning with all kinds of ideas. So that's how you do it. So let's go back and edit this code, all right? So I'm going to click on Wall, and then I'm going to click on Edit Page to get back to the HTML or the FBML, if you will. And here we go. Right in here, click on Apps. And then at the bottom, you'll see Tip of Week. Go to App. And I want to make that thing bigger so people can see it. So here's the width. The width is now 340. I'm going to make it 500. And the height is 270. I'm going to make it 370. All right, 370, just like that. And make sure you don't lose any of those little the little commas there above the thing there. You got to make sure to have those. Now here's how you make it autoplay from the one click. So if you'll notice on the directions that I give you right here, let me just show you those again. Here you'll notice at the very bottom of the page, I have a little thing that says and autoplay equals 1. What this does, this is really cool actually, you can do this with any YouTube video. You can have it autoplay wherever you want in the video. And this just says I want it to play at 1 second, which is instantly, all right? So I'm going to take this, I'm going to right click copy, or just Control C, copy, and then I'm going to go back to my Facebook page, all right? Which is right here. Now I'm going to put this at the end of the video. You can do this with any YouTube video. When you send the link, if you put it at the end, it actually starts automatically wherever you want it to start. So play with that, have some fun with it. It's kind of cool. So hit Control V. I just added and autoplay equals 1, and then I save change. All right, so I save the change. Go back to my Facebook, and then I'm going to click on Tip of the Week, which again is your own link. All right, so Tip of the Week right there. Click on it. It's going to show up much bigger, of course. So here it is, much bigger. I'm going to show you how to change this picture real quick too, so bear with me. So you click on it, and it's automatically going to play for you automatically. This video, I'm going to show you how to upload a property. All right, so that's how you have it autoplay. You can have a YouTube video autoplay wherever you want by using that little bitty symbol, the autoplay equals 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want it to have, okay? All right, so let's change how this looks because I like it. For example, when it has this little arrow here, okay? I like it to have this little arrow key. So what you want to do is take a picture of that using Gene Project or whatever you want to use. And then so like if somebody clicks on it, it looks like they got to click on the little button to play it, just like YouTube. And I want to take a picture of this and have it so that that's the picture that shows up on YouTube when they get there. So I'm going to capture the image. I'm going to save the image. And I'm not going to show you which one to use because you can pick your own. You can use Flickr, you can use PhotoBucket, and whatever you want to use. Just get it to where you have the link to the picture. And if you don't know what you're talking about, let me know, of course, down the road, and we'll show you how to do that. But so I'm going to save to my desktop, and then I'm going to get the link to the picture by using Flickr. Okay, so here I uploaded the photo, and now I'm going to grab the URL to, like you would get from Flickr or PhotoBucket or whatever. I'm going to grab the URL to it, and I'm going to replace it with this picture, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. So let's go back to my Facebook page, click on Wall, and then I'm going to click on Edit Page, and then I'm going to click, of course, on the Apps button. Go back into the Go To App, and then I'm going to replace this link right here because that's the picture that it sees. I'm going to replace this picture right here all the way to the JPEG. See the JPG? All right. So I'm going to delete that and replace it with that. All right. Click Save. And then I'm going to go check it out. Now watch. The picture will show up as the actual link. Here we go. So there is the picture of the actual, it looks like I got to click on it, and when I click on it, it automatically plays. So that's just one way to make it really fast for yourself, all right? All right, that's it. Have some fun with it. Upload some videos to YouTube. Set up a YouTube account if you don't have one, and get your pictures in your Facebook fan page. I'll see you guys on the web. Bye-bye.